Hi Pooja. Hi Snehal. Hi Amulya. I am good. How are you? Hi Apurva. I was really wondering that you guys will join or not today because I really thought it's Diwali का hangout नहीं उतरा होगा. I'm so glad all of you are here. Hello Aparna ji. Happy Diwali to everybody. Hi Shushma. Hi Madhurya. Hi Rupa. Hi Pihu. I'm so glad to see you all here. I was really wondering that might be you guys will be there or not there today. Happy Diwali to everybody. I hope you all have enjoyed a lot. Happy Diwali to everybody. I'm so glad to see you all. We'll wait for 5 minutes and then we'll start. Yeah, today's article is this one. I'm so sorry. In this, you have to put your tea light like this and then lit it. This is your final article. This is in tea blue color. We are going to do it in red color today. Hi Sandhya. Hi Soumya. Hi Komal. Happy Diwali to everyone. Hi Prastuti. How are you, Beba? Jutta, clarity proper hai? Am I audible and visible properly? Hi Pehel. Hello Chanda ji. Hello everyone. Okay, just one more minute and then we'll start. So sweet of you, Madhurya. Okay, first let me do a bit of announcement. Those who have already given me 5 and 5 more submission, 5 plus submissions, there is some, there's a course, very nice course we are coming up with. So I'll be telling you all the detail about that course in next class or next week class. I'll definitely tell you. Those who have not able to complete their 5 classes, please complete it now. There are so many people who have already completed 4, somebody have completed 3. So just a small request, today we have our class and Wednesday we have again a very beautiful article, Meenakari article. So just try attending and finishing your article today's and tomorrow. Yes, you're only eligible for my paid class for free if you are giving me the submissions on time and if you are getting the certificate link, if you have downloaded the certificate on time. If you have not done so, you're not getting the opportunity. So you still have time. We are just designing our new course. So I was just thinking so it's again a bit of surprise about our paid courses. Then by the time you still have time, those who have not completed and submitted their article, today's one workshop, you give me this submission on time, and then the coming workshop is on Wednesday. Again, give me the submission on time. Those who have already given me 5, 6, 7 submissions, again a big surprise for you all. You just need to wait, keep patience. This is just a cherry on cake, because see, you are getting these classes as a free class, but additionally on the top of it, that is from my side to the people who are actually taking my classes very seriously. So it's just one extra thing for you all, because see guys, it should be a win-win situation for everybody. If you are giving me submission on time, if you are doing my workshop on time, so just to show a small thank, I have thought of keeping this thing to the people who are genuinely interested. So you just have to wait and wait for your surprise. So those who have not done, I've already promised you all that after Diwali I'll be conducting that free session. So yeah, definitely, and I have something very nice coming up in my mind, so I'll just let you know about it in my mostly next class or next I mean the coming week classes. Okay, so I think I must start now. Let me just give a small introduction. I am to the people who are new here. I am Megha Gindodia. I am a Fevicryl certified professional from last 11 years, and by profession I am a folk artist and a crafter. I am working for Pidilite from last 11 years, and I would like to thank the Pidilite team who have given us this opportunity to come online and take classes. So you guys just have to do is, you have to buy Pidilite product, Fevicryl Hobby Ideas product, and you have to support us for the same, and give submissions on time. That is also very, very important, because there are so many people who are already who've got a very there are so many people who have already lost job in this pandemic, and you know, Pidilite is the only Indian company who is giving job opportunity in this pandemic situation, and they are paying us. So that too only when you guys are giving submissions on time. See, if you're not giving submissions on time, you're not using Fevicryl products, the entire thing go waste. So I just request you all to buy Fevicryl products, support us a lot, and do a lot of creating in this period. Okay, Chanda ji, how to join Meenakari workshop? I hope you you just need to be in this group, on my WhatsApp group and this Facebook group. You'll be getting all the details by today evening regarding that workshop. Okay, so let's start with the article. Today article is this beautiful tea light holder. So if you can see, I've done one in red and one in teal blue. So one is in coral red and the other one is in teal blue. So this is a plank. This is a MDF cutout. This is 18 by 12 inches. And I have colored it with coral red color. This is my sunflower kit. This is my sunflower kit. In this kit you don't get coral red, you get just one second, you have this beautiful crimson red color. So color combination is your choice again, that is not compulsory at all. So this is the plank. I have just colored it with coral red color, acrylic color. See, I have done it on wooden plank. This is MDF. You can choose any of your base of your choice also. But now I'm going to tell you how to make these molded katoris. So this is compulsory. This should be compulsory there in your submission. Okay, this is compulsory in your submission. And if you're giving me submissions, it is compulsory to make at least 3 katoris. Okay. Now let me just start with it. This is Fevicryl molded. So in this there's 2 portions. One is resin and the other one is hardener. Till now I think a lot of people know how to use it, but for the people who are new, Shubhangi, this is the katori. I'll tell you how to make it. Just be little patient, I'll tell you. And the videos won't be there. Videos I can keep it till 4 o'clock. So don't ask me to keep the video again. Komal, I have not told, till now I have not started. I am just starting now, okay. So this is Fevicryl molded. The pink cover you can see is resin, and if you can see it's in little white color. The other one is hardener, and if you can see it is in little grayish muddy color. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to mix both the thing in equal proportion. Always remember that you have to mix it into equal proportion. I'm taking both the thing in equal proportion. And before you start with this, what you have to do is you have to apply a good amount of talcum powder in your hand, because it's very, very sticky. You don't have to apply it in the molded, you need to apply it in your hand. And then you have to start mixing it. Mix it till it get into white color, completely white color. See, this is the bowl. I'm going to tell you how to make this bowl today. To the people who are new to my class, I would just like to repeat the announcement. Those who will give me 5 submissions on time is eligible for one of my paid class for free. It doesn't mean that the material will be free for you, But yeah, the teaching will be completely free for the people who have already given submission or who will give the 5 submissions for my class. And those who have already given 5 submissions, I think the max was 6 or 7. Those who have given me no, the max was 10 also. There are so many people who have already given me 10 submissions. Very few, but there are so many who have already given me 10 submissions. So again, a big surprise for them. I've already asked people to send me their name in the group. Have already given me 5 submissions. Amulya, I think you have already sent me your name in WhatsApp group. And those who are not there in my WhatsApp group, those who are only there in my Facebook group, I just request them to join my WhatsApp group also. I'll send you the detail for my WhatsApp group. So I just request you all to be there on my WhatsApp group also. See, it converted into only one color now. कोमल, मैंने अभी तक कुछ भी नहीं बताया है, मैंने सिर्फ अभी तक मोल्डेड मिक्स करना बताया है. या कोमल, बट अभी तक मैंने सिर्फ मोल्डेड मिक्स करना बताया. आई थिंक यू नो दैट. Okay, if you don't know, there's one reason and one hardener. You just have to mix it into equal proportion. Okay, now this is the dough that is ready. Now what I'm going to do is again, जब आप ये बेल रहे हो तो आपको इसके ऊपर talcum powder लगाना है. Again, when you're just using your rolling pin, you have to apply talcum powder to your rolling pin also. Komal, is it clear to you? Keep applying talcum powder, otherwise it will get stick. Molded is very sticky. For one katori, you need to take one molded. आज का क्लास से शुरू करो तो 5 submissions. Rupali, are you new to my class? First tell me that. Okay, now see, this is done. What I'm going to do is, this is a disposable cup. This is a disposable plastic katori. So I'm using this. If you don't have this, you can take any of your metal katori also. But then don't forget to apply talcum powder to it. It's always better to take a plastic katori. Now this is my molded. Now I'm going to just put it like this. See. Now can you see these pleats coming here? So what I'm going to do is, now I'm going to fold it into 4 portions here. Don't take it too thin, and because if you take it too thin, वो आपका कट जाएगा. Can you see this? Now what I'm going to do is, can you see uneven edges here? मैं ये uneven जो edge है इसको कट करूँगी अभी. इतना मुझे चाकू चाहिए. So now, can you see this uneven edges? ये uneven edges को I'm gonna chop it up, and I'll try making it straight. It should be even like this. I hope I'm clear to everybody. Now, this is the cap of my sketch pen. Again, I'm going to apply talcum powder to it and start giving hole here. Your molder should not be very thin. कोई बात नहीं रूपाली. Now what you can do is, you can just keep on doing my class. Once you're done with 5 submissions, because this is just a cherry on the cake, ये win-win situation होना चाहिए. अगर आप मुझे submissions time पे दोगे तो ये तो आपको free classes attend करने को मिल ही रहा है. अगर आप मुझे 5 submissions on time दोगे तो आप एक मेरे paid classes के लिए, which I'll be announcing soon, when you're eligible for that. And those who have already given me submissions, guys, keep little patience, because there's very few people who have given me the submissions. So I'm looking for at least 20 people for my paid classes, because that too, if I'm going to keep it for free, so I'm looking for at least 20 people to attend the class. See, these are the circles. I'm stuck. Is it? देख तो बेटा वीडियो. Am I stuck? अमूल्य, आप आपका नेटवर्क कनेक्शन चेक करो ना 1 मिनट. See, this is the thing. So once it is dried up, the katori will look like this. So once this katori is dried up, it takes a good time. It takes around 2 hours to dry completely, because the thickness is more. So then you just need to wipe it off, because there is a lot of talcum powder here. And once this katori is done, I'm going to paint this with golden color. इसको paint करते. This is my Fevicryl gold pearl metallic color, and I'm going to just color it with gold color. See, color combination is your choice, but I need at least 3 bowl, 3 katoris, 3 tea light holders. The base could be of your choice. Everything is of your choice, but this much it's needed for this submission. So when you're coloring this, you have to color it into 2 coats, because 1 coat is not sufficient. If you see, you can see a lot of transparency. So 1 coat is done, then just do the other coat. And when you are coloring, always remember that you have to color this portion also. Don't leave this portion. Okay. So color it from all the sides like this. Now, I hope I'm clear till here. Now this is my plank. this is the normal MDF cutting, on which I have done coral red acrylic color. You can choose any of the acrylic color of your choice, any shade of your choice. No compulsion on that. See, I keep on telling you that you must know the technique of doing things. It is not necessary that you have to do the same article. It's completely your choice. Just you must know how to do the, I mean, you have to use the technique, same technique, because when I'm teaching you something, there should be a bit of coordination in all the submissions. So I am looking forward for the submission, same kind of submissions. Basis is your choice. Then the color combination is your choice. Okay, so this I have done it with coral red, and this is my stencil, a very old stencil of Fevicryl only. A very beautiful design. So see, I'm just placing it here like this, and again I'm taking pearl metallic color here. I'm taking out the color in palette, and this is a small sponge. So I'm going to take color in my sponge like this and start dabbing. Don't apply water in your color, neither wet your sponge, because the color is very it has a good consistency. You don't need to do anything else. MDF both size for my plank is 12 inch by 18 inch. You can have your own size. You can do it on old CDs also and hang it. बेस के लिए आप आपकी क्रिएटिविटी यूज करो. आई कीप ऑन टेलिंग यू दैट यू शुड ओनली लर्न द टेक्निक फ्रॉम मी एंड अदर थिंग्स. आप आपकी जो भी क्रिएटिविटी है वो यूज करो एंड मेक योर थिंग्स. The last day for the submission for this article is Wednesday. And Wednesday means maximum Wednesday I am giving you time till 5 o'clock. Because then I will start giving you the certificate for the submission. Slowly I am going to remove this. Again the same way I am going to repeat this design here. This is little wet, so I'll be little more careful when I'm doing this. I'm just lifting it up a bit. normal sponge dabbing, it gives you a very very good effect. We're done. It looks very very pretty. Okay, now the stencil, you need to keep it in water and just clean it slowly. Just keep it in a plate full of water and gently remove all your colors. So once this is done, I'll let it dry. Till the time my Katori color is getting dried up, I'll tell you how to do this, and then I'll tell you how to do the sticking for these Katori. Okay, so this is Fevicryl 3D outliner glitter gold. The number is 401, and now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do the bordering here. Videos will be there only till 4 o'clock. So to the people who ever have network issue, till 4 I can keep the video, not more than that. And thank you to everybody for such a love, such a good support. Thank you so much. Few of my students, I must say, they have already given me 10 submissions, and I really feel so proud about it. Thank you so much for your support. Let me just let this thing, stencil thing should be dried on the other one. फिर मैं आपको ये कटोरी स्टिक करना बताऊंगी. Then I'll tell you how to stick the katoris also. Yeah, why not? You can do it on thali also. It is all your choice, completely your choice. The only thing is कि जो techniques मैं आपको बता रही हूँ, I've told you for today's class the technique is how to make these tea light holder, and the second is stenciling. So this thing should be there in your project. उसके अलावा आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो. And you know what, this is a good liner, so it is not disturbing me right now. So कभी ऐसा होता है, sometimes it happens that your glitter is not coming out properly. So what you have to do is, don't put the pen here. Always open this nozzle properly like this, and then clean the nozzle properly from this side, because something would be like stuck here, so that is like creating a problem to you. So आप कभी भी nozzle यहाँ से clean नहीं करना है. You have to open it and then clean it. Luckily today my glitter is really working great. थैंक यू सो मच सुनीता भाभी. The color is not yet dried, so I'm just trying to finish this so that मैं आपको सब कुछ दिखा सकूँ. I know it's little lengthy to show the same thing for such a long time. Just give me 2 more minutes. I'm done. So this is still wet. I'll just tell you, once it dries up, it gives you such a beautiful effect. See, such a nice glittering effect. ये था वो रेड वाला. See, such a nice glittering effect. So once you're done with this, now I'll tell you how to stick these katori. You don't have to stick it with Fevicol, or you don't have to stick it with Fevicol A+, because it has little weight. So it might be कि अगर आप Fevicol से stick करते हो या A+ से stick करते हो तो वो निकल सकता है. So for that what you have to do is, again you have to take the molded, mix it into equal proportion. Same hardener resin, equal proportion. And when I'm mixing this, I'm again taking talcum powder and mixing it in my hand. Putting it in my hand, sorry. Is that quite thick? और जो आपका बचा हुआ मोल्डेड है उसको आपको पैक करके रख देना है. And when you are making the katori, what you have to do is take one molded for one katori. It should be little thick and not thin. देखो मैंने एक पतला बनाया था तो it just got broken like this. So it should have a good thickness. Because these are handmade things, it takes a lot of effort to do that. So आप आपकी मटेरियल में कभी भी कमी मत करो. करना है एक और को. And please keep on sharing about my classes in your friend group as much as you can. See, it turns into one single color, still little more. Now I'm going to release them. See, you can just do the placement either like this, one is out, or one is in. It is your choice. You are going to just place it like this. So I'm just taking the center of this. I'm not going to use it. I've just kept it like this. Now I'm taking my molded like this and make 3 rounds here. 3 rounds and just applying it here like this and keeping it here and pressing it well. The same way. And if you want कि उसकी sticking और अच्छी हो तो थोड़ी सी आप और फेविकॉल, you can just add on a bit of फेविकॉल to it. I'm going to put it like this. It should be in straight line. This is my third katori, which is little wet. I'm going to apply like this and I'm going to keep this in out, but taking the center like this. This is the piece that is ready, and now I'll just tell you. Thank you so much, Apurva. So this is our ready piece, and this is my tea light candle. You can take that metal wala base also, any of them. I have this one right now. Yeah, it's festive season, so we are just taking articles of the festivals. Like this, you have to. I'm so sorry. You just need to put it like this. So in all 3 you have to put it in the same way. Thank you so much, Prerna. So you can either take this candle or you can take that electric thing also. Both of them looks very pretty. Thank you, Sandhya. Thank you, Apurva. Thank you, Aparna ji. I hope it is clear to everybody. Now, if you have any doubt regarding this, you can ask me. I'll just show you the Meenakari article also. See, our upcoming workshop is this beautiful Meenakari article, which we are going to learn it on Wednesday. So, for today's article, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you so much, Chanda ji. कितना मुझे दे देना कंप्लीट करने के लिए. Thank you so much, and thank you so much everybody who are there, who have come live. आप लोग इतना टाइम निकालते हो हमारे लिए. Thank you so much. Thank you so much who have already completed my 10th class, and this is my 11th one. So I'm really thankful to all the people there जिन्होंने इतना support, इतना प्यार दिया है. No Megha, it will not burn because ये कलर्स थोड़े डल हो जाएंगे बिकॉज अगर आपकी फ्लेम बहुत ज़्यादा ऊपर तक आई तो फिर यहाँ पर ये थोड़ा ब्लैक हो जाएगा. सो व्हाट यू कैन डू इज़ यू कैन जस्ट वाइप इट ऑफ विथ वाटर एंड देन रीकलर इट लेटर. Preeti, color will get dull, but then what you can do is you can just wipe it off because यहाँ पर वो black हो जाएगा, so you need to wipe it off and then recolor it. Otherwise, if you don't want, it won't get burned because the molded ones dried become like a stone only, so it won't burn, it won't melt. But then what you can do is if you don't want to happen that, you can just use the electric tea lights, the battery one. चंदा जी, मैंने molded mix किया है. I have mixed molded and then I have just taken a bit of molded and I have stick it with molded only. Thank you so much. So now if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Wednesday we have this article, beautiful meenakari design. The details will be shared in the group, in the WhatsApp group one more time and on Facebook group. So those who are not there on my Facebook group, those who are there on Facebook group and not on my WhatsApp group, I request you all to join my WhatsApp group one more time. And the videos will be there maximum till 4 o'clock. After 4 the video won't be there. One more thing I would like to share. There was a student of mine of last year. What did they do is, उन्होंने ऐसे स्टैंडिंग प्लैंक नहीं रखी, उन्होंने ऐसे स्लीपिंग रखा था टेबल पे. They did a very nice कटोरी arrangement and उन्होंने ऐसे स्लीपिंग रखा था and then they did this candle thing like this. They have kept it like this also. So this is the thing they have done last year. So they have done a very nice arrangement of stencils and everything. So in spite of keeping it straight, they have kept it like this for the center table. So see, you can use your own creativity and do the thing. Next, Rupali, next workshop is on Wednesday, coming Wednesday, day after tomorrow. Okay, I'll send you the link, and I request everybody to share my workshop details to the maximum people as much as you can. But yeah, please share it to the people who are genuinely interested for my workshops. WhatsApp link today by evening on this group, and the last day for the submission is Wednesday 4 o'clock maximum, and I know people will give me the submissions by today itself. There are so many people will give me the submissions by today itself, I know. Hi Aarti. Chanda ji, you'll be getting the Meenakari workshop detail on the Facebook group, on the same group. And if you are not there on my WhatsApp group, you can, I'll just send the link of my WhatsApp group. You can just join that WhatsApp group also. Please give submissions on time. That is the request. I just hope I'm clear to everybody. I'll wait for one more minute. If you have any questions, you can ask me. And those who have already given me 5+ submissions, we are coming with a very nice surprise for you all. Thank you so much. Any questions? Okay then, chalo. Bye bye. Have a nice day and keep creating. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for your love. Bye bye.